Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe as I update content daily, and you never know, you might hear something that might help you improve your life or your business. So today we're gonna talk about Rhonda Byrne's. This is book Magic, day 11. Gratitude for waking up in the morning. So magic day. Why is it important? Well, a lot of us take waking up in the morning and being, just being alive. It's a lot of us take for granted. With Memorial Weekend coming around the corner here, a few more days, a lot of soldiers have died for freedom. So these guys put their life on the line, and so waking up in the morning, it's a big deal for them, seeing what they see every day. And for myself, working as a nurse at the bedside, not seeing some wake up in the morning, it's a big deal for me too. So please be grateful when you wake up in the morning, because this is your another opportunity to fix something or make your life a better situation than what it currently is. It's just has to do with decision and being able to wake up in the morning. So definitely, when I woke up today, I was grateful. I said my thank you, and I went about my day. And doesn't matter if it's rainy or cloudy behind me, you still want to appreciate this day and move about in it and be grateful for it. Other than that, you want to be grateful for 10 things and do a journal about it. And also at the end of the day, you want to be grateful for good things that happen in your life. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and you can start off your day with being grateful for just being awake. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.